What is up, guys? Welcome back to another Kicks Fix unboxing video. For this video I have the Raygun dunks to unbox with some matching apparel that did not release when the dunks dropped last year, or almost 2 years ago. But it dropped with the Air Force. I didn't really like the Air Force a lot, but the apparel, it's Raygun apparel, so it matches the dunks as well. And since I missed the original dunk releases and also all the apparel, I was like, let me get this. Also I had this birthday discount code, so you know, I saw that shit. I didn't even get the mail yet. It was the day before and I put them in the basket and already 25% went off. I thought it was a glitch or something. So I thought, you know what, fuck it, let's order this shit. And then the day after I got the mail with the message, I had the discount code and I was like, fuck, maybe it still works, like 2 times, but it didn't, so whatever. Still happy I could use it. So yeah, you can already see the baby black Rayguns. I have them displayed in the living room like this, which I think looks super dope. And then to get into the box of the men's pair, the front of the box says Nike SB Dunk Low Pro Quick Strike. The colorway is black, orange flash, 9.5. Let's see if I can focus a little bit faster now. It actually does because of the light. Alright, it's in the two-tone glossy box. I haven't worn them yet, so I will be undressing them for the video. So here they are. Yeah, the leather feels super subtle, and yeah, it smells pretty good as well. It's not that yeah, sometimes the leather has a nicer smell. It does have a really nice look though. It's got that tumbled look, which is all over the kick. And on the back you can see the fictional basketball team, the Rayguns. And as you might know, the original pair had the same colorway, exactly the same, except everything that's tie-dye. The yellow was one solid yellow and the orange was solid orange. Everything else I believe was exactly the same. By the way, major shout out to Kito. He's my brother-in-law and he went camping with me for these, so I could get both sizes, or I mean both colorways, because here's the white pair. But unfortunately we were on time for the list. Oh, it's super. Here we go. Still a bit too much lighting going on, but it's okay. The white one though has all over tie-dye. The whole white part is kind of tie-dye with grey mixed in there. Yeah, also super dope pair, but like I was telling, we were on time for both sizes of both colorways in my size. The white one in 9.5 and the black one in 9.5. But unfortunately the going rates on StockX changed during the night, and in the morning some dudes switched their size when picking them up in the store. And yeah, so the moment I was able to get in, I could get my pair, the black pair, and next to me or after me, my brother-in-law went inside and he could only get a 40.5 of the white ones. So yeah, that went a little bit weird, but hopefully there's somebody who wants to trade with me still. If not, if you have a 9 or a 9.5 dead stock and you want a 40 half or 7.5, please trade with me, or else you can buy them, but it has to be the same price the 9.5 is, so I can just buy them back, or maybe a little bit of a difference, but not a lot. So now you've seen the kicks. I'm not going to get into too much detail because the video is already 6 minutes long, and I'm pretty sure you have seen the kicks a lot of times now. And I'm just going to unbox my shit I got from the Nike app, or yeah, well, the regular Nike app, because this didn't drop on the sneakers app. The Air Forces did though, I think it was today. They did sell out. But let's check out the gear. Alright, so first off, here's the hat, which looks really nice with that embroidery on there. The Roswell Rayguns. You can see that thick embroidery. It's going along all the way to the back. Then you have a white Nike check above the snapback, and nothing. Oh wow, the visor, the inside of the visor is satin. I didn't know that. That's dope. I'm for sure taking the sticker off. And okay, so I have to, if you buy this and you want to take the sticker off, heat it up a little bit first, because I can already notice at the end or at the tip of the sticker, maybe it's visible, you can see there's some glue stains right there, and if you heat this, it will come off easily. Then the inside says funk. I'm not sure why though. If you know, let me know, because I'm curious. So the hat's really dope. I'm not sure how the fit will be, because sometimes the regular Nike Pro hats have a pretty high, yeah, I don't even know what to call this, but I'm used to 5 panels now, so it might be a little bit chunky for my head, but yeah, a little bit. It's a little bit high, but yeah, I like it. Then here is the jersey. Let's take it out of the packaging. I got an extra large. I like my shit oversized. Also, I'm not that small. I don't know in feet, but in meters I'm almost 190, so XL is usually good. And it looks perfect. And yeah, it looks like a super nice jersey. I'm not sure. Yeah, you can see the letters are patches, roughly stitched on there, looking super fresh. Then on the back it says Carter, number 15. I'm not sure who that player is, or I mean it's, yeah, oh no, I don't know, let me know because I don't know. So yeah, I'm just put this on real quick, take this off-white off of me, and let's check how this shit looks together. Here we go. Oh, Oh, got a tag behind the ear. Alright. So yeah, I think that shit looks pretty dope. I'm probably gonna be out of the image when I'm standing up, so just gonna do it like this. Rocking this with some, yeah, I think just some nice black pants, black joggers with these. I think that will be a nice fit like that. And yeah, about the white ones, if anybody got a 9.5 or a 9, let me know, and if you're willing to trade, that would be perfect. So I think it's time to throw these motherfuckers on feet, and I'll see you guys outside. Yep.